Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Rocket Money, cancel and track spending, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Rocket Money, start by opening the App Store on your device if you are using iOS, or the Google Play Store if you are on Android. In the search bar, type Rocket Money and press enter. Locate the app in the search results and tap on it. Once the app page opens, click on the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Rocket Money app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to log in. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Fill in your details as prompted to complete the registration process. After logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of the app. To track your spending, navigate to the budget section within the app. Here, you can set specific spending categories like groceries, entertainment, and bills. Input your expected budget for each category to start tracking your expenses. To add transactions, go back to the main dashboard and select Add Transaction. Choose the category for the expense and input the amount spent. You can also attach a note or receipt for more details if desired. Once you've entered the details, click Save to add the transaction to your budget. To view your spending insights, return to the main dashboard and select Spending Insights. This feature provides a visual representation of your spending habits over time. You can also set financial goals within the app to help you stay on track. To cancel any subscriptions or memberships, navigate to the Subscriptions section. Here, you can view all your active subscriptions and choose which ones to cancel. Select the subscription you wish to terminate and follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. Regularly check back on your spending reports to adjust your budget as necessary. Staying consistent with tracking and managing your spending will help you achieve your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.